Astor Creek just released 5 new spec homes for sale, so I had to get over here as quick as possible because I think some of these are going to sell pretty fast. In this video, we're going to be touring the 2 Madison collection homes for sale, which is going to be the Victoria that I'm currently standing in, and then the Waverly. And then in my second video, I will be covering the 3 Hudson collection homes for sale. Now you might notice I'm standing inside, and that's because we have some weather outside, but I was not gonna let that stop me from getting into this home and showing you the beautiful upgrades and beautiful layout of this Victoria. I'll just have some of the exterior shots playing while I'm talking right here, just so you can see this is the contemporary elevation. And if you wanna know all of the specs of this Victoria, I will have a link in the description for the brochure. And as always, I'm Matt Celidonio, your local realtor here in Port St. Lucie. You are able to have me as your buyer's agent for these spec homes in this video at no cost to you. Coulter pays my commission. Now, without further ado, let's start checking out this Victoria. Here is your entryway with some beautiful stormy clouds outside. I want to get you guys to this wet bar because they don't always put the wet bar in the spec homes. This is a really, really pretty kitchen. Here's your wet bar. They added the upper cabinetry, which again, you don't always see in the spec homes. They have the built-in fridge, which is really sleek, just really nice. They have the Quartz countertop as the backsplash, which is really trendy and looks really nice in this home. They have the chef's kitchen with the Artisan hood. And they have the upgraded sliders with no transoms. As you can see, that storm brewing outside. You can't really see the floors in the home, but it is going to be an LVP. You can kind of see it. It's very light. It's a light wood tone. It's very pretty and goes with the cabinetry really well. All right, so let's walk you through the kitchen. Here's your dining. Look at these trees moving outside. This is afternoon summers in Florida. But you can't really hear it, so that's nice. Got the thicker quartz countertops for the island. It's another pretty upgrade. Butler's pantry over here. And here's your pantry. Now we're in your flex room. Here is bedroom number 2, which is a really big bedroom for the Victoria. I'm just gonna quickly go through here because they don't have any lights. You have a walk-in closet. And most people that are watching this, you've likely already seen Victoria model tour videos. So I'm sure you already know the layout. This is more just to see this actual finished home. To see the tile in the bathrooms. A nice white quartz countertop. I actually really like the tiles that they picked for this shower. It's really pretty. All right, so that's bedroom number 2. Also an upgrade in this home is they did the 4-foot extension. So you will get some extra entertaining space back here in your covered lanai and of course the bigger master. And you do get a nice waterfront. You get golf and waterfront in the backyard as well. I don't know how much of the lot I'm gonna be covering in this video just because of the weather outside. So, oof. People are racing to get home. Okay. Got your 4-foot extended primary suite. Bedroom is amazing. It's a huge size. Always like to show people the view from their primary. Stormy. God, I gotta make it over to that Waverly. Now we are in the owner's suite bath. Again, they went with a similar countertop as the second bathroom. It's like a white with some gray mixed in. You have your big window here for some natural light. Standing tub. There we go. And it's silver hardware for the handles and sink. They got the mirrors all the way to the ceiling. And then you have a shower niche. Your tile all over the ceiling here as well. You can see again, most of these, if you can't see them too well, you'll be able to see it better in the brochure. This is kind of just to give you an idea. And here's your big walk-in closet. But same flooring throughout the bathroom and the closet. Like I said, I know most of you have probably seen this floor plan already, and it's more about seeing the fixtures and finishes. So let's go to the powder room, the other bathrooms and bedroom over here. Here's your powder room. They went with like a more gray tone to a cabinetry. Grays and gold, it's very pretty. And getting those mirrors all the way up to the ceiling. It's essentially what I've seen most people end up going with. Here's your laundry room. See the cabinetry that was selected in here. Again, a slightly different countertop color in here. It's more of like a gray. But you get big cabinetry with the crown molding up top. It's a really good size, nice laundry room, which is right next to bedroom 3, which is an ensuite as well. So you get 3 en-suites plus a powder room. I'll make this quick since there is no light in here. And you can just kind of see the selections that they made. Sticking with the similar countertops to the rest of the home. You get the mirrors all the way up to the ceiling, and they went with the same bath tile in this bathroom as well, which again, I really like it. It's like it almost has like a little bit of a taupe in it, and it's like browns and grays, like a light tone of brown and gray. It's really pretty. I will show you the garage on the way out, just because it is open right now. They have the garage doors open. Oh my. Oh my, oh my. Well, one more shot on the door here before we leave. It's a nice navy blue. You got your gray stones with the contemporary elevation. And it's now starting to rain. Here is garage, the 2-car garage, the 1 car. And let's go to the Waverly so we can get inside. Well, I made it. From the 10 feet from my car to the door, got absolutely soaked. But it's worth it, here we are in this beautiful Waverly floor plan. I will do a separate shot when it's sunnier out for the exterior of the home, but this is the transitional. It's very pretty, and if you like white kitchens, you're really gonna like this Waverly. So they went with the wet bar. It looks really clean. I did also notice, I forgot to put the under cabinet lighting on in the Victoria. The Victoria did also have that, just in case you're seeing this and thinking the same thing. You also get the upper cabinets in this home as well, though, with the Artisan hood and the built-in fridge. It's really pretty kitchen. And if you have seen the model videos of this one, that model has the pantry going all the way from there to there, but they've done a different option with this home. Where you still get a really good sized pantry, but they've went with the butler pantry option. So you can have your appliances back here with your outlets leading into the flex space. But I just want to show you this kitchen really quick. Let you see your cooking top. They have the backsplash as the countertops going up as the backsplash in this kitchen as well. Got your wall oven. Really pretty kitchen. This huge island here. I'll show you this side as well. Cabinets, your sink. And we have the extended lanai and primary suite in this Waverly as well. As well as the increased sliders with no transom. Do not let the weather fool you. This is a nice pretty lot. I like this one. Just like the last home, you do get a little bit of water view and golf. We will take a risk and go outside for a quick second, just so you can see the size of this. Really big lanai. It's usually one of the features people love about the Waverly is having the lanai that goes all the way down. And then your backyard, you'd have the palm trees. You're in about the middle of the fairway on this hole, but like I said, you do get water as well. Let me give you a quick view here. They definitely look like they have extra hi-hats here in the tray ceiling. You can see we have similar flooring in this one. It's a little bit different, but similar color palette. It's LVP in this home as well. Here is your 4-foot extended primary. Again, let's go check out this view. Really pretty. If you're someone that likes white tones, whites and grays, this one was really pretty. With the tub in the shower, that could be a make it or break it type of thing for you. I know it's very trendy right now, but I know people are also very opinionated on it one way or the other. You also have a shower niche behind it. Very pretty. And again, I will have the downloadable brochure showing you all of the fixtures and design packages selected for this home, as well as any other information you need on this Waverly or the Victoria that we toured earlier. So I can get closer here just so you can kind of see the countertops. It's like a white with gray veins. We can go towards the front here, see you have your dining flex space area here. And I already know someone is going to ask me, what's the story with that fridge? And I'm going to tell you, I don't know, friend. I don't know. Again, we get the mirrors all the way up to the ceiling. This is your powder room. And you have a really big laundry. As you can see, it's your pretty standard countertops that come with the laundry room, but plenty of cabinetry. Yeah, it's pretty. It's very bright. It's bright and it's raining outside. So natural light would be really nice in this house. And these bedrooms are gonna be a little bit darker because they don't have the recessed lighting. And again, went with a similar countertop in these bathrooms as well. It's that white with the gray veins. Get the mirrors all the way to the ceiling. I like the tiles that they selected for the bathrooms. It's like a white and grays. Some nice texture to it that is really pretty. You get one window in this bedroom. All right, this we have a shower. This full bath here, same countertops, same mirror to the ceiling if it wants to show it. There we go. Again, same tiles in here, but in here it's going to be just a shower in lieu of a tub. I don't want to get too much hope, but I do see some sun poking out over there. And here is the bedroom. And I can actually show you the garage in this home since it's closed. The other one was not closed. Here we go. So you get a front-facing 3-car garage. Again, I know you're pretty familiar with the Waverly floor plan, but I just wanted to point that out. I can just give you one more quick look at this kitchen because it is pretty. And again, this home is priced at about 1.3, a little bit more. I think it's almost 1.31, and it is available for move-in. So if you are looking to purchase before the holidays or before that November cutoff for the tax changes, then this is a great option for you. As I said, they don't really have too many Madison collection homes come for sale on spec homes. So this is a really good opportunity. And like I said, if you are interested in either of these two homes, you can contact me directly or you can click the link in the description to download the brochures and get all of the options selected for these homes and to also move forward with a potential purchase or scheduling a tour. And I'd be happy to work with you as your realtor here in Astor Creek, whether it's purchasing one of these two Madison homes or building one of these homes and scheduling tours. I am one of Astor Creek's top realtors, so I'd be happy to represent you at no extra charge to you. My contact information will be on the screen and in the description below. Thank you so much for watching and putting up with me today while dealing with the elements. I appreciate it, and I will see you in the next video.